Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield for my regular weekly update of the Anfield Road Expansion. Okay. Yeah, I just drove through the car park and thought there'd been a massive accident or something because that crane was down, but I was just taking a break. But yeah, if anyone saw my midweek video, they'll have seen that the fourth back span is in. Just pull it back a bit. It's very windy up there today. So right there, let me get up and so see the fourth back span there. Just seeing if my drone's drifting in the wind. It seems to be holding all right. So yeah, I'm gonna get right over the cranes and as I always do when they're working on site, keep well away. Okay, so yeah, I'm far away, but it's not a lot I can do. There's quite a lot of talking points today, so I'm gonna have to fly through these because I don't want this video going on longer than normal. Okay, so yeah, so I covered quite a lot on my close-up video the other day. When was it? Friday? I think it was Friday. Okay, so the reason why I do the close-up ones when they've gone home is because I can't get close during the day, obviously because they're working. So for those who haven't seen the fourth back span up, there it is down there. Okay, so I'm going to get over the pitch and I'm going to start covering these talking points. That the heat lamps on the pitch is normal. Game tomorrow against Rangers. No, it's not. It's away. We played Rangers last week, so ignore that one. There's people walking around, so I'm going to get the drone a bit lower now I'm over the site. Yeah, it's very windy. If it's interfering with the audio, I do apologise. So anyway, well, let's swing it round and have a look down here a sec. I've been pulled up on a couple of points that I'm going to correct today. When I said about Archibald Leach's original foundations being used for this new main stand from when he built the old main stand, I did mean the old main stand, as in this one. Okay, I didn't mean the old main stand. I just like to get through the videos fast, so I'll just say old, as in, you know, old. There's a few stands that I've had more than 2 makeovers. So yeah, I'll just towards there correct that one. Someone said I was going to link the roof to the other 2 stands. So the roof of the new Annie Road connecting to the main stand and the Kenny Dalglish stand. So let me pull it back. Okay, so it does look as though it'd be easier to connect to the main stand and to the Kenny Dalglish stands. But here's a picture of how it's going to look, and as you can see, it's connecting well to the main stand, but it's obviously got to go over the Kenny Dalglish stand because it's just too high. Okay. Right, let's get over. What was the wood on the terracing? Let's get higher. And you see the wood down there. Okay, that looks like a platform for working on the underside of the roof, to be well, underside of the back spans, if you like. So it just looks like a platform for the workers to walk on, that's all. Not a major. Okay, so back up again. And you can see the Nike tick is back when I said there's a new sponsor on the stand. It wasn't a new sponsor. and I can't believe I didn't know this or noticed it before, but it gets changed for the Champions League game. Obviously they want their sponsors on the seating. I don't see why it matters on the seating, because there's fans sitting in it, so it's not going to get seen anyway. But it is what it is, and that's all that was. I thought it was a new sponsor, and it wasn't. It just they just rearranged it so the neck turned into one of their sponsors. Okay. Yeah. So I've got to keep myself on this one as well. When I said, someone asked about the lower tier being connected to the upper tier. So the old lower tier of the Anfield Road being connected to the upper tier of the new Anfield. Did I just say main stand on Anfield Road? Anyway, Anfield Road stands anyway. So I didn't know that they're keeping that. I thought the whole thing was going to get ripped out, and as someone else pointed out, the main stand was the same. So they kept the old main stands terracing, just put new seating, and obviously, you know, sorted it out as a way for the new tunnel to be cut in, and the vomitories, as they're called, where the stewards stand, you know, the steps up to the stand itself. So they look all neat. Okay, so yeah, I wasn't aware of that, but yeah, you learn something new every day. I just thought the whole thing got ripped out. Right. How will they fit another seating section on the right side with an elevator underneath it? Oh, right, let me get round, because it's going to be such a way where the seating will go over the lift shaft, if you get me, and the lift shaft will come up to the area where they sell all the drinks and stuff. I forgot. My mind's gone a blank. It's happened to me yesterday. The Everton one. I couldn't remember the name of the road. Jesse Hartley Way. Yeah. So anyway, we'll sell the drinks and the fan stand and everything. That they're gonna have the lift going up to there and stuff, and the seating will go over it. So here's a picture of that, of what I mean. Okay, so here's a blueprint of it. What happens to the empty spaces when the cranes leave? More building work, I expect. Honestly, there's a lot more work to go on, but you know, once the cranes leave, you know, a lot of brickwork to be getting done. So when they both come away, it's be groundwork. It looks though it's intruding into the stand. Yeah, it is intruding into the stand. So, the rest of the stand will just be getting built when the cranes are gone, basically. If anyone's got any more to add to that, then let me know. Right, let's get high again. Get back over the grounds. So I said that the Kop and the Anfield Road seating is a lot less faded than the other two stands, which they're right. So I just where the sun is now, you can't see, it's just where the brightest part of that cloud is. I just assume they're more protected, you know, than the other two stands are from the elements. The main stand seems to be getting it away, so I just assume, because the midday sun's shining right on it, so it will be a lot more weather damaged. what's happened to the lower left side roof supports that go into the lower main stand. So I don't know if I'll be able to see that from here, but I do know what you mean. No, you can't see from here, but yeah, as I do know what you mean. It's just going to be rejigged in it, that they're going to get removed, and then as in the photograph you can see a lot of boxing in the corners, so I just assume that yeah, as you might even lose some seats there. I'm not too sure, as I can't really work it out from the picture, but again, if someone can let me know. Again, someone said that the Anfield Road won't be completely ripped out. Yeah, I know, that was my mistake, that I just thought it would be. I just thought it was all going. So to the original poster in the last one, I apologise for getting that wrong. How will we get the old roof? How will they get rid of the old roof? I assume it's going to be in sections. It'd be great to see it lifted out in one go, but I can't see it. I think it'll come out in sections. A Sunderland fan said, would I be happy to move to a new ground? I've covered this quite a bit before. No, I wouldn't. If we had to, then so be it. It wouldn't be the end of the world, but you know, this is Anfield, as it says on the sign above the tunnel. Let's stay here. I like the ground, I like the four stands. So right, I shouldn't have too many more now to cover. How we're doing for time, doing all that for time. Well, let's swing it round again, have another look before I finish up. Someone said that they like how this channel throws up other topics. Yeah, you know what? If you got anything that you want to talk about, ask away in the comments. I don't mind going off topic, you know, away from football, as long as I can bring it back to football at some point. But if there's anything else you want to talk about, let me know. You know, we can talk about it. And will Anfield Road and a KDS have a corner? So in the photograph that you've already seen, obviously they're just, you know, they're probably not going to be the final, but if they can fit more seats in like they already do, then I suppose they'll get as many in as they can. So if there's going to be a corner, there will be. I just don't know the answer to it. According to the picture, no. Okay, so that's all the talking points for that one covered. I had to fly through them, guys, because there was a lot. I think it was 16 or 18. There's a lot more comments, but there's a lot of praise on there for my channel, you know, which I appreciate, but you know, it's a bit big-headed to be reading all them else. But yeah, I do appreciate every one of them. The ones who do these, also the ones that are talking points, or the ones that are not so kind to me, maybe. I'll read them out. But yeah, I appreciate everyone. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. That's if anyone knows anything about that, why that crane's down like that, is it changing its jib, whatever, I don't know. If anyone knows anything, let me know. Okay, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Comment. The comments make the content, as I always say. If no one commented, then I probably wouldn't have a channel. And like the video, give it a thumbs up. All three of those combined helps the channel spread. get to reach out there to people, and more people that haven't seen the channel can get to see it. So yeah, it all helps me. Again, even if you want to tell me how rubbish I am, the comments help me. Okay, so feel free. No, I'll leave it there for now, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, see you all soon.